Okay, I have a full house. Oh yeah? Straight flush. King high. Charizard, I choose you! Mario, this is poker, not Pokemon. Nah, Mario wins. His Charizard breathes fire over all your other cards, disintegrating them. Hey, you just said that just so I wouldn't have the win. You can't use Pokemon cards, it's not even part of the deck. All in favor that Mario wins this one? Say aye. Why, you little...
Ow, ow, ow. Bye-bye.
Nah. Luigi isn't being a dick. He got emotionally manipulated. Luigi's always been afraid of bob-ombs. I've never seen emotional manipulation this strong before. It's almost like the Herobrine we're dealing with is exactly how to overpower us. So be careful, guys.
Are you fucking high? Are you fucking high?
You have to go. But you're in the middle of a blooper. No way. Herobrine just simulated that call. Wow, Herobrine must be that's what's pointless as mom. No. But he has figured out a way to make us less powerful. If we can't fight because we're preoccupied with something or we're too emotionally traumatized to continue, then there may not be enough of us to stop him by the time we get to wherever his base is.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god, we killed Steve. We're bastards. Hey Bowser, I put a machine in your mouth that lets you breathe fire. Oh really? I didn't know that. It would have been nice to tell me a while ago. I could have used that in so many different situations. Just breathe fire now. Oh god, that machine, whatever it is, you need to work on it some more. Like, ow. like, oh, my mouth like feels like it's burning. Oh my god. I think I need to go to the hospital. Sorry guys, I can't do this anymore. Crap, it's almost nighttime, Mario. We have to defeat him before we can't see. Hey, wait, Connexinator 42, I know you've always wanted to get my account, but this is more important right now. Damn it was a trap.
You know, this is the last straw.
We won't ever forgive you for anything you've done. You know what? It's all. We're gonna take care of you, son of a bitch. That's it. Banjo can come up from behind and give him the ass whooping he deserves. Oh, no, I better check on that. caused this mess? Oh, wait a minute. It was this guy, wasn't it? Damn it, I knew I shouldn't have made a Herobrine figure. I knew he'd cause all this mess. What am I gonna do with you? I guess you're gonna have to go in the bin. What the? Mario Connects are almost dead? Alright, luckily the world crashed when it did. You know, alright, you aren't supposed to be here. How the hell did you get a hold of my dice? Damn, Panto64 almost died. There, now he's back to normal. What do you do with all my other figures? Yeah, and it's because of me, the real-life Connectsnator 41. Your world crashed because this dumbass figure overloaded the system. Alright, I don't know how it works and everything like that or whatever, but he spawned in too many of my stuff, and I don't know, your world couldn't handle it, so it just, oh, like a crappy game then. So, and it's because of this stupid figure. After the end of Fight of the Fat Italian minifigures 2019, that was pointless, threw that button in the garbage and everything, but it activated one last time, and that unleashed this demon from hell.
Who will now be exiled into this bin, never to return again.
There, now go have your happy ending and crap. Don't do it again. Every time we try to go up to get something to eat. I mean, that's kind of annoying. It's supposed to be playing with beer.